back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin. I am starting this video of prepping for my birthday just because of a freaking comment. Somebody literally goes like, you should make a video on prep with me for my birthday and everything you do, all the appointments you have, all of that stuff. And I was like, that actually sounds good. So yeah, I'm doing a prep with me for my birthday. I just washed my hair. The party is on 17th, which means Friday, and I have a few things to do before that. Today I don't really have a lot of work, so I decided to turn it into sort of like a self-care day. And there's this one matcha mask that I really wanted to try from Clayco that we will be trying in this video. I also will have to shave my hands, which is getting pretty bad. I showed it in my last video, but in case you guys didn't watch it, we need to do that. And after I fix my hair, we're gonna figure out what I do next. So let's start. Guys, this is the one that we're trying out. It is from Clayco, and a lot of my friends have tried it out, and Clayco has always been like an amazing brand. So we're gonna try it out today together and figure out if it actually works. I feel like I haven't really removed the shampoo from the back of my head, which is scaring me a little because then I have to wash my hair all over again. Not sure though. Okay, I look like very weird, but we ignore that. Let's go. This is the matcha clay mask. So I'm gonna use this one. I used it in my last vlog to apply that basin wala thing. It's sort of like a spatula, I would say. I mean, I don't really know. So I feel like इसमें product कम है and हवा ज़्यादा है because clearly ये भी निकालते हुए बहुत हवा निकली है. Oh, also guys, I'm gonna hint at something in this vlog. In case y'all get it, y'all get it. If you don't, you don't. And it's gonna come up very soon, so you don't have to worry. There is something that, oh shit, that I got to know yesterday. It is confirmed, and I am honestly in shock that it's even happening in the first place, because I just put my name in it for time pass, never really expected much out of it. And first it was gonna happen on my birthday, but now it's gotten postponed, and it is sort of like a huge deal for me. So I want you guys to go ahead in the comments and guess what it could be. I can't give you any more hint other than this because I'm really scared of nazar, if that even makes sense. I feel like I've used too much of it. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Cutie pie.
Say hi.
Oh my god, I don't even look good.
It feels so soft. I think it's good. It is nice. The skin feels better, and my birthday is coming up, so I think it'll look good now. वो देखो. Approved. So I need to apply the glycolic acid. Hi guys, it is I think 2 days later, and I just received this in the PR as PR. It's from Skin Inspired. I've never gotten PR from them before, so I'm very excited to open this and see what's in it. Yay! Let's go! This is so cute. So first we have the Ceramide Cream Moisturizer. Next we have the Cream Cleanser Face Wash and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Last is a huge sunscreen. We'll open this because I really wanna see what's in it. So I will keep you guys updated on what's going on for my birthday. All that I know for right now is that I'm supposed to leave the house tomorrow morning. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna figure out what I do kal. That's just there. But yeah, and I'm also supposed to go to the gym like right now. But वो मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है. मैं मेरे खाने के लिए रुकी, मैं खा के जाऊँगी अभी gym. क्योंकि मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, मेरा पेट दुख रहा है. I'll see you guys later. So my mom gave me like 2-3 gifts. She's already given me one. It was like a bag charm. So I asked her to give me small gifts this time because all the big things that I wanted are basically done. Like she does not need to worry about anything. She's like, okay, so this time I'll just give you small gifts that you might need. I was like, okay. So this is one of them. Wow. Okay, I'm assuming this is like a layered necklace. This I will be needing this very soon, and like I told you guys before, I want you to guess what's happening. I just want to say, Itta, I am going on a trip and I want you to guess the destination. I want you to guess where I'm going because it is truly an amazing destination and definitely somewhere a lot of you might want to go or have been actually. Wow, so I really needed clutches and she got me a pack. That's so cute. I think like Oda. The best is this one. It's so furry and so cute. It looks like a bear ka haath or mouth actually. Yeah, see, यहाँ से देखो. Damn. And then there's this rectangle one. So yeah, but that's the end of it. And oh wait. There is also a bag charm. It's so cute. It is literally so pretty. These are the things that I got. Okay, so we're gonna do an everything shower today because it's my birthday and it'll be very helpful if I could do it, but I'm not really sure if I should do like an everything shower. I do still wanna shave my hands and my legs. Guys! Also an update. You remember in my Lakme Fashion Week vlog we were talking about something huge that's coming and like what time ho gaya ye wo. We got a new car! I'm so excited. We wanted this. This was one of our specifications and let me just give you like an interior tour of the car. Okay, so first we'll start with this. AC. I love the screen. हमने अभी तक इसका plastic नहीं निकाला है because my dad is very specific about all of this. This is the steering wheel. It's so freaking pretty. Wait, hold on. That's the wheel, and it's an automatic car.
Yeah, because Gauri would not set.
I was a little stubborn. I was like, I am not settling for another manual. I cannot do clutch brake in Mumbai ka traffic. You do not expect me to. So I kind of begged my dad to get me an automatic. Okay. I feel like such a spoiled brat right now.
Wow.
This is how it looks in the back. We have this like the sun ke liye protection wala whatever. We have what do you call this?
Sun.
No, the double wala thing.
Double?
The panoramic. Yeah, we have a panoramic sunroof. So this is the other section. I just put my camera here.
Keep it there.
Anyways, I put my camera over there for now. But this is what I kept in the car. There's a perfume, there's a clutch, there is 2 rubber bands. One is a normal, one is a scrunchie, there is Vaseline, there's a lip balm over there, and then there's sunscreen because you never know when you'll need sun protection. You never know when we go to the beach, you never know when we travel, and a lot of times we tend to forget these things. I have already used the perfume like 3-4 times and the lip balm 2-3 times.
Surely need clips.
Yeah, we need clips in the car.
And ruffles.
And ruffles, of course. So this is what all's there in the car as of now. We're obviously gonna add more to this.
We're gonna keep a full bag in which we have one change, one flats.
This is one of the dresses I tried and we're really liking it. I think we might finalize this as my birthday dress because my birthday dress didn't come in time, and I'm gonna give you that story time when I'm done with this trial. But Yeah, I really like it overall. Hi guys, we are here at the food court. Say hi. Oh, hi. This is what happens when people are too obsessed with their phone and too addicted to their phone, and they tried their entire life, tried to get their child not addicted to their phone but ended up being addicted to their phone. Do you see it? Like, is it just me or am I raising my parents alone? Literally, like, I'm raising my parents. I have to tell them who to talk to, who not to talk to, how to deal with people, everything. Guys, पूरा orange हो चुका है. The sky. Oh my God! Wait, I have to show you the sky.
That's not important right now.
So we're supposed to go out to make jello shots, and this is the only way I can go with wearing an eye mask. So Prisha will be recording. So guys, this is literally a few hours before my birthday. बहुत कुछ delay हो चुका है ये लोग के end से. But we have jello.
के end से क्या होता है?
We have jello and we're making jello shots in these shot glasses, which is going to be so cool because I've never done this before. I've always wanted to try jello shots, and इतने reels देखने के बाद finally.
ये ना, ये जो तुमने टॉयलेट में रखा हुआ था ना, अगर तेरे पापा ने देख लिया होता ना ये,
बर्थडे के दिन मत डाल।
हाँ ना, बर्थडे के दिन कौन डांटता है?
ज्यादा डांटने का मजा।
नहीं आज कल नहीं, आज भी नहीं, कल भी नहीं, परसों भी नहीं, तरसों भी नहीं, मंडे तक मुझे कोई नहीं डांटेगा।
18, 19, 20, फिर बोलेगी अभी कल तो मेरा बर्थडे था, आज कैसे डांटोगे आप मुझे?
मैं तो पूरा महीना खींचती हूँ भाई, मैं तो स्टार्ट ऑफ द महीने से चालू थी.
Lavi Masi called up and she said, "God didn't even wish me for my birthday."
Yeah, I was at वो मैं पूरा दिन काम कर रही थी और रात को मैं वेदिका को मिलने गई, मेरे दिमाग से उतर गया था. I'll call her आजकल में, आप मत बोलना कि आपने बोला है मुझे. तुमने बोल दिया
क्या?
तुम मत बोलना कुछ भी अभी.
उन्होंने मुझे बोला है गौरी ने विश नहीं किया था, क्या करूँ तुम्हें?
तू ना सच्ची कूद जा, अपने आप से कूद जा, जिससे पहले मैं धक्का दूं तुझे.
गौरी
मैं दे दूंगी. पूछो उससे उसको कितने बजे का टाइम दिया था और वो कितने बजे आई है.
ये तो वो क्या करे?
Seems like a her problem.
अच्छा,
मेरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत कुछ ब्लॉग किया हुआ है.
हाँ,
नहीं, मैं प्रेप विद मी फॉर माय बर्थडे.
अरे गेट रेडी विद मी भी बना.
अभी तो हो गया.
20 को बना।
अरे तो ये
हाँ 20th को बना दूंगी ना. हाँ, I have a second day guys. हाँ, and वैसे भी प्रेप विद मी फॉर whatever जाने ही वाला है. And then मेरा ट्रिप का भी
use a brush.
I'm not in the mood to use a. हाँ please. कहाँ है ब्रश मेरा? ब्राउन है. वो मेरा ब्रश तुम हाई रखो. You can enjoy.
कौन से कलर की ड्रेस है?
Pink.
जब हमने ऑर्डर की थी वो आई नहीं, पता है ना तुझे? पूरा ड्रामा.
नहीं, किसी को नहीं पता है अभी.
So we had ordered
Outcast.
online.
Outcast.
It's a brand, हाँ, whatever.
उसको पता होगा.
Outcast जो भी है.
Outcast पता है ना
बहुत
तुझे?
प्यारा गाउन ऑर्डर किया.
आया ही नहीं. मेरे को कल बोलते हैं हम लोग आज ही शिप कर देंगे. मैंने बोला आप आज शिप करके करोगे क्या? मैंने पहननी ही नहीं है अब.
पहने थी तब भी नहीं. अभी ना हो, we got it. चलो न्यू मी से ही मिली जो मिली. वेस्ट साइड तो didn't have anything. मतलब
ज़ारा बंद है ना इन्फिनिटी में.
We went to
अरे
Infinity.
इनऑर्बिट में भी है ना सारा।
पता है हम गए नहीं वहाँ पे.
हम लोग को आज का ही दिन ही था. And we were both so tired today, पता नहीं क्यों. उसके बाद गौरी ने बोला ये करना वो करना. वो कहा, कुछ नहीं करना, घर चल. I have to again go back to Oberoi Mall. Please.
वो इतने महीनों से खराब है गौरी.
हाँ, जब से मैं ये घर में शिफ्ट हुई हूँ तो तब से खराब.
हाइलाइटर
तुम्हारे यहाँ वाली बर्थडे भी तो आया है.
हाइलाइटर नहीं है
से खराब
इसमें ही है जो है. नहीं तो फिर चीक्स के लिए है बट इसके लिए
चीक्स वाला ही हाइलाइटर
ये है. बताओ ऊपर वाला हाइलाइटर.
हमारे घर पे हमेशा सेल होते हैं.
हमारे घर पे
Just
सब
have
कुछ
to
होता है.
say.
मेरे को बहुत लेफ्ट आउट फील हो रहा है.
कोई बात
अच्छी बात है, होना चाहिए. मेरा कभी तो होना चाहिए. आज के दिन तो तुझे होना चाहिए.
मैं एक हफ्ते से लेफ्ट आउट हूँ.
मत.
अगर तेरे मुंह पे डाल दे मैं तो क्या.
चुप कर.
और तू मेरा मेकअप मत बिगाड़ गौरी.
कुछ नहीं हो सकता तुम्हारा. ज्यादा बोलेगी ना ब्लश लगा दूंगी मुंह पे.
इसके मुंह पे कोई चाटा लगा दो बस.
अच्छा.
हाँ आ गया. इसी को लेके जाना चाहिए मुझे मेरी ट्रिप पे. कितना अच्छा मेकअप होगा यार मेरा. हाँ
बीच में छोड़ दिया. मतलब पूरा सीखा है पर सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है.
अबे
बाय.
पागल है.
अरे इंजीनियरिंग स्टार्ट हो गया था ना तो फिर बीच में लॉकडाउन.
इंजीनियरिंग कर रही है फॉर व्हाट रीजन मुझे भी जानना है.
मुझे भी जानना है मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ.
और हृदय तेरा क्या चल रहा है?
It's okay.
Since the last time I met you.
It's okay.
नहीं बताओ थोड़ा सा बताओ. ये मैं बंद कर देती हूँ.
ब्राउन का.
There are 3 girls standing on top of my head trying to get my makeup right. क्यों एक कान में एयरपॉड लगा के कर रही है? तू कर क्या रही है?
मेरा ये बन गया है सिग्नेचर. मैं सब जगह मेरे कान में लगा हुआ ही रहता है. वो दिन मेरे को ऑफिस में भी डांट पड़ी थी कि मीटिंग इज गोइंग ऑन, व्हाई डू यू हैव एन एयरपॉड? लाइक सॉरी आई कैन नॉट फोकस.
Gen Z को हायर नहीं कर रहे हैं.
वही. And then people ask कि क्यों Gen Z को हायर नहीं कर रहे?
पिंक डांट पड़ी ऑफिस में.
लगाओ, लगाओ, अपने हिसाब से लगाओ.
टॉप मीटिंग के दिन.
मस्कारा के पहले मैं शिमर लगा दूँ ना. मैं वो
हाँ पहले शिमर लगा तो डिस्टर्ब नहीं.
Yes.
सेम क्योंकि ऑरेंज के साथ बहुत खराब
बहुत अजीब लगेगा.
मैं समझ गई ना.
हाँ,
तू
समझ गई.
मैं नहीं समझ रही
लग
हूँ.
रहा है ये आँख में ज्यादा ग्लिटर है, ये आँख में कम है.
वो तो इवन आउट हो जाएगा. इवन आउट हो जाएगा.
कितना ज्यादा लग रहा है.
समझ गई.
अरे तू पहले ये खत्म कर फिर
नहीं because I have to blend this with the glitter.
उसको यहाँ कम
ये
लग यहाँ
आँख में
ज्यादा
कम
लग रहा है.
कम है.
नहीं वो रात को चलेगा अच्छा लगेगा. हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
तेरे पास और ब्रशेस क्यों नहीं है?
मेरे पास सिर्फ ये ब्रशेस है और वो फ्लैट ब्रश है. वो तो यूज़ ही नहीं कर सकता
क्यों?
क्योंकि फ्लैट ब्रश में ब्लेंड नहीं
तो
होता.
ब्रश क्यों नहीं है तेरे पास? वो मेरा क्वेश्चन था.
Everyone has left. Everyone, including my mother and my best friend. Everyone is outside and they're like, "Come here." I'm like, I have never felt this left out in my entire goddamn life. Like they just left. They literally just got up and left. No explanation, no nothing. And I'm here waiting for my mother to do my hair, looking like a total idiot. You know, it's good that they're giving me a surprise, but this is too annoying. Like I feel very left out. I've never felt this left out in my entire life. At least this birthday is better than the last one. I don't know if you saw that vlog. The way I bawled my eyes out, like, oh my god. If you haven't seen that vlog, you need to go check it out. It is my last year's birthday vlog when I turned 19. And oh my god, this was just horrendous. I think that was the worst birthday of my entire freaking life. The way I have even cried shooting a goddamn Get Ready With Me was just sad. It was straight up sad. Like I can't even watch that vlog ever again in my entire life because मैं उसको हमेशा देखती हूँ ना, and I just remember what past me was going through. Even though it got me way ahead in life and it got me a lot of positive things in life, but the way I have bawled my eyes out a day or two before my birthday was just... Hi guys, I just wanted to take a moment and make sure you see my birthday dress before I work out, before I start doing anything. Of course my YouTube fam has to see it. I'm so sorry you're gonna see it way after everything is over. But I do wanna say thank you so much for watching this vlog. Be ready for my birthday vlog because it is gonna be so much fun. And I will for sure see you guys there. A lot of things have been aligned for the birthday vlog as well. थोड़े बाल ऐसा अजीब से हो गया, मतलब पता नहीं, मुझे लग रहा है मे बी. Anyways, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my birthday vlog. Bye.